Imagine everything being known about you the minute you walk into a department store. Your name, measurements, purchase history, in-store and online, even your views on life, the universe, and everything. That's the future, good or bad, that's been enabled through the expanding use of big data and mobile apps in the IT industry. I think one of the most notable game changers in the way we access the internet was the introduction of Apple's iPhone in 2007. This device and the many to follow helped to usher in an era of mobile applications and create an explosion in the use of big data. This expansion of big data that's collected through mobile devices allows for advanced analytics and impacts the manner in which data is collected, stored, and used. Subsequent versions of the iPhone and other smartphones have improved and have shifted consumers away from traditional PC computing. Morgan Stanley predicts that this year, mobile users will surpass desktop users. At the beginning of this year, Apple announced that there are currently more than 1 million apps available in their online stores and more than 60 billion total downloads to date. Another way companies use big data to improve their applications is predictive analysis. This allows developers to build microanalytics that can apply machine learning algorithms on the fly. This allows the developers or the application to learn and adapt to quickly tailor the application based on the data collected by building predictive models that help businesses understand how a consumer will respond to specific offers or content. Hadoop is an entity-centric data management system that was originally developed to usefully index all the rich textual and structural information that Google was collecting. Hadoop is a decentralized system and does not share any memory or disk space. The data is separated into pieces and distributed among all the systems. If one server goes down, the others could reproduce the data from the last known copy. This data management system is the product of the development of big data and is an important tool in the management and quick analysis of enormous amounts of data being created every second of every day. The combination of big data and tools like Hadoop present unique opportunities to capture, store, and utilize data to achieve competitive advantage. Tools like Hadoop will allow for the storage and analysis of massive amounts of data and will allow developers the ability to make timely changes to applications and perform microanalytics to see what works and what doesn't. Mobile computing and big data has had an enormous impact on the IT industry and will prove to be a major disruptor to the ill-prepared while offering great opportunities to those organizations able to take advantage. Finally, we'd like to end with a quote from the CEO of IBM that illustrates the importance of big data not only to the IT industry, but also to the entire world.
The data will be the basis of competitive advantage for any organization that you run. It will be the basis in what will be a smarter era, but it will be the basis for competitive advantage. And I'd like you to think of data as the next natural resource. The only limit is yourself, though. It's not limited. The next natural resource that can be to our era what we think of, go back in time and you think about steam, oil, electricity did to the industrial age. However, back then, just because you had access to those things did not make you a powerhouse. And the same will be true here. Just because in fact, everyone will have access, but what you do with it will make the difference.